If you're watching this video, you're in luck because we're gonna give away one pair of the Yeezy 350 Cloud White. Watch and find out how to enter. What's going on, guys? You're watching Sneaker News on YouTube, and today we're taking a closer look at the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the Cloud White colorway. Before we do that, just do us a quick favor, hit that subscribe button, and we'll get right into it. So as we promised, we are going to give away one pair of these shoes to one of our viewers. We're going to touch on the instructions later on in this video. Before we do that, of course, we just want to give you guys an up-close look at the Cloud Whites. So let's just go over some basics. The official release date is September 21st, 2019. The retail price is $220 for the adult pair, $160 for the kids pair, and $140 for the infant pair. So these are another full family size drop. It's going to be available on adidas.com and a lot of big box retailers, Foot Locker, Dick's Sporting Goods, etc., 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 as well as all the sneaker boutiques that you guys know. We do have a store list in the description below. That's where you can learn where you could buy them online or enter raffles. You know, as you guys know with Yeezys, you're going to have to put in a lot of effort to try to cop a pair at retail, no matter how quote-unquote GR they are. So let's take a closer look. This is the Cloud White Yeezys, but despite the nickname, the shoe really doesn't have that much white to it, which is pretty interesting. It's sort of like a play on the bluish clean tones of the clouds. And if you look in this more tonal area as well as the laces, the color is more of a seafoam green, I guess you could say. So it's a very nice early fall tint, and where the darker portions are is where you can really see that prime knit pattern really pop. And that color as well is like a darker hue of, I guess, like a seafoam, but definitely not like a white by any means. So if you're looking for like an all white pair of Yeezys, this is not it. You can definitely cop the triple whites for near retail right now. But if you're looking to add something a little different to your Yeezy collections, these are definitely a nice option. The stripe on the upper is more of a off-white sort of cream tone. So it's like a nice match with this seafoam green. If you look on the other side though, of course, there is no stripe, and you can definitely get an idea of what that darker bluish tone looks like. And it's somewhere in between like a jade green and the blue tint from the 350 V2 that dropped last year. It's actually a pretty nice shade. You know, we're actually very impressed with these in person in terms of the colorway. The pattern is very similar to the first static release. So like gray and this tone of blue aren't too many shades apart from each other. The outsole is not even a full white as well. Of course, the sidewalls are that same opaque white that you've seen in a lot of Yeezys, but the outsole has a slightly yellow tint to it. So you can definitely see that two-tone nature of the sidewall as well as the part of the sole that touches the ground. And of course, you have your classic white boost cushioning embedded into the inside of the shoe. Our favorite part, honestly, is just the contrast between this off-white and this seafoam blue. It's a really nice color. It worked really well as a unisex option. You know, not too many Yeezys can really go both ways in terms of being unisex, but this is like a nice in-between sort of color in our opinion. Later this month as well, they're dropping that citron colorway, which is slightly more of like a burnt orange kind of hue, but the Cloud Whites are real nice, but it's really more of a blue. Like the Cloud White nickname is actually a little misleading, but we hope you get a good idea of what the shoes look like in this video. Alongside the non-reflective version, the reflective Cloud Whites are currently rumored to drop the week before this release. So it could be a midnight release on Yeezy Supply. It could be like a middle of the day release. We do know now that Adidas has been using Yeezy Supply to do these really random surprise drops. This just is a quick overview of the shoe, you know, not too much to say. It's more of an introduction of the Cloud White colorway. So as promised, we are going to give away one pair of the Yeezys to one lucky viewer. And there's 3 simple steps that we need you to follow. We're going to list it all out below, but here it is. First step, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Number 2, leave a comment stating your location and your US shoe size. For example, New York City size 10, Toronto size 5, London size 12, etc., etc. The third step is respond to our pinned question in the comments. The question will be, what's been your favorite Yeezy release of 2019? All you need to do is reply with your answer. And those are the 3 steps. So that's pretty much it. You know, very simple instructions. You know, we'll have it listed down below in case you need a reminder. But you have from now until September 20th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern time to enter. We hope you guys enjoyed this closer look at the Cloud White Yeezys, and we'll catch you in the next video.